Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Chronos Grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. All while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 7-spoke rotor design making a bold statement. To the rear you have the leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat, and as you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into the car menu with parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, whilst below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.